Today we have trapped our dad in this giant box filled with mystery buttons. Every single mystery button leads to a crazy punishment, except one. That's the escape button. How many punishments will he have to endure before he presses the escape button? Yeah, and shout out to the Danger Bros for giving us this awesome idea. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe below. And Dad, let's get the first button started. Woo! You guys think he's gonna escape? I don't think so.
All right, here we go. All
right.
First button. There's so many buttons in here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Ooh, look at this. There's a big gold one. I don't know about that one. That one. I accidentally just pushed that one with my arm. Spaghetti. Okay. Anyways, this gold button kind of makes me nervous because it could be the escape button and it could be nothing. It could be like a total trap.
Spaghetti!
Spaghetti.
Oh,
Okay.
here it comes!
I don't know about this, guys. This is already nervous. Oh,
Here
no.
it comes! Oh, here it
Oh,
comes!
no. Ah.
Here it comes!
Spaghetti and sauce, too? Ew. That's the first one? No!
It's so dirty on the ground! Alright!
Let me out of here right now! Oh, this is not cool!
Fun Squad, that was only the first one. Fun Squad, did you see how much spaghetti there is?
I am really nervous about these.
Next! Go next!
Next button, I'm gonna go for this blue one right here. Look at that. Ooh. That is disgusting. All right, let's go for this blue one. Here we go. Rice! Oh no, rice! Hopefully this one isn't as bad as spaghetti. All right, here we go. Oh, rice! Oh!
He just got rice! And he's all wet because of the spaghetti sauce and stuff. And so now the rice is sticking to it.
We got rice, we got spaghetti sauce. Okay, I am already forgetting which buttons I pushed, so I'm going to take them off as I go. So this one needs to come off. All right, I'll take the
I'm going to steal his hat.
Okay, here we go. Next button. Hey! Who took my hat? That's my hat.
Now his hair's gonna get
Somebody
wet.
took my hat. That was my strategy. Give me back my hat. What? You give that back. All right, I guess I don't have a hat anymore. What should we do? All right, we haven't done any on this wall yet.
Next one.
I think.
Golden one.
What do you guys think? Should I do the gold one? I'm really nervous about that gold one. I'm gonna go for this one down here. It's kind of far away. Here we go.
What dog food?
Wait, dog food? No, are you kidding me?
Dog food?
Oh, no, I want out.
It's gonna be
Get me out of here. Get me out. No.
Here's the wet dog food and it stinks.
All right. Wet dog food. Oh.
That is so gross. That
smells. Oh, that smells so bad.
Ew.
Oh, where's my hat? I need my hat.
Oh, this is so funny.
Okay.
Oh, so gross.
That is seriously gross. All right. I'm going to scoot that all off to the side. That is seriously so gross.
It stinks. I just can't imagine how bad it smells in there. That smells
Ew, you guys, seriously. All right, Fun Squad, if we get 100,000 likes on this video, we're gonna put Sarah, my wife, in here. What do you guys think if we put Mom in here next time?
Oh yeah, that's gonna be so funny.
100,000 likes, give us a big thumbs up. If we get 100,000 likes, we're gonna put Mom in here next, okay? All right, I'm gonna push this button right, this one in here.
Excellent! He's gonna get egged.
Egged? Are you kidding me? Eggs? No!
Fun Squad, I can't wait to see this. Eggs. This is gonna be so awesome.
Okay, I guess I'm ready. Here we go.
No.
Oh, that wasn't so bad.
Oh
Oh, those are freezing. Those are freezing. Woo, that's cold actually.
How many eggs there are?
Yuck. Oh, gross. Ew, all right. Are you done? Ew, yucky. Oh, no.
Oh, Fun Squad, that was awesome. I can't wait to see another one like that.
Fun Squad, look, they missed one. Here we go. Ready? Woo! Oh, whoops. Dang it. Dang it.
He tried to get them, but he hit it on It didn't even pop! Throw it back up!
Woo!
Throw it back up! Throw it back up!
No. Oh! All right, here we go. I think we got them all.
Hey, Dad, press the next mystery button.
I think I just got egg in my eye. Here we go. All right, what do you guys think? Should I do the gold button? That gold button is so tempting. I'm gonna say
Do it!
it seriously could be the escape button, but I just don't know if I trust you guys.
Do it!
All right, I'm gonna go for this button right here. Here we go. Confetti! Ooh, that one's not so bad.
You're gonna say confetti.
Oh, I gotta close my eyes. Woo! Confetti! Confetti! Woo! Woo!
Now it's all stuck to it.
Woo! Woo! Oh, it's like getting stuck to me. Holy cow, that's a lot of confetti. You guys done yet?
No!
You guys think this is a party or something? Oh, holy cow. All right, at least it covered up all the eggs.
Yeah, that's why it's like a party.
All right, I'm kind of getting tired of all this stuff on me. We got to get out of here.
Hey, Dad, do this. Dad.
More confetti? Oh, more. I thought we were done.
Yeah.
Oh, all right, that one's gone. Here we go. Let's do this.
Oh, that was
Cold milk. Oh no, cold milk. Oh no. Oh, the nice thing about pushing these buttons is I'm one button closer, but there are still so many buttons. Look all around. Holy shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. Oh, whoa, that's cold. Woo, woo.
That is
That is so cool.
much.
It's so cool.
Ew.
Oh, it is a little spoiled. Woo, woo.
What?
I'm freezing. I'm freezing. Woo. I'm freezing. Are we done? Oh, that was seriously so cool. Woo.
Ew.
Next button, here we go. It's so tempting, that gold button. And it might be the escape, but I still think it's a trick. So I'm gonna do, we haven't done it on this back wall. How about this one? $1. $1, woohoo! That's a good one, $1. Woo! Oh, I won it's got milk on it, yucky. All right, $1, woo! In your face. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna put it right up here nice and safe. Let's see, Mr. Benjamin, I think that's Benjamin. All right, right next to our little fun squad side right there. All right, let's do, how about this corner around here? How about right here? Gatorade! Oh no, Gatorade. All right, gotta pull this off.
You ready to get Gatorade?
How come everything I'm doing lately is like freezing cold? I hope this one's warm. Oh, woo! Oh, that tastes so good. Oh, woo! That's a lot of Gatorade. Holy cow! Woo! Oh, holy cow. All right, here we go. Next button. Here we go. All right. I'm kind of nervous. How about let's do this one right here. Water balloons? No! What am I gonna escape, you guys? Water balloons? Are you kidding me? Oh no! All right. Maybe some of them won't pop, and I'll throw back out of them. What do you guys think? Here we go.
Ready? Here we go!
Water balloons? Oh no! Oh! Ah! Ooh! Ow! Ow! Woo! Woo! Ah! Oh! Woo! 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 Go! Woo! Oh no!
Oh yeah, fun
Oh,
spot.
I didn't even
What's
see.
this?
Ooh! All right. Oh!
Hey!
I can play too! Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh! All right, how many more are there? Oh, I think there's more. Ow! Oh no! Oh, okay. Ow! Oh!
1,
What?
2,
Oh no! Oh, Skylar! Woo! It's cold! All right, one more water balloon. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay. All right, I'm gonna push another button. I'm starting to get stuck in here. Okay, let's push this one. Cereal. I think cereal's not so bad. Let's see. Oh.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Buttons are
No,
beating them.
dump it all. That's
Cereal? Oh. Look at it. Let's go. What'd you guys do? Raid the pantry?
Jack.
You guys raid the
So
pantry?
messy.
It's like all different kinds of cereal.
Dump it, Jack.
I'm gonna eat some. Oh. Tyler, should I get some out of my mouth? Hello, ready? Oh. Woo! There we go. Whoa! That was a lot. That was tasty. I got some in my mouth.
No,
You want
no.
some? I've got to get out of here. Come on, you guys. All right, come on, guys. We got to do it. All right, this one right here. Here we go.
Ketchup
Ketchup
and
and
mayonnaise. Get
No, gross. Ketchup and mayonnaise. Are you serious? Oh no, you guys, seriously not. Oh, yucky. Oh, that's like hot. Oh, gross. Ew. Ew, yucky. Oh, gross. No more. Ew. Oh, yuck. Ew. Oh. Ew. Oh, gross. All right, you guys, seriously, nasty. Ew, it's like inch thick. Look at this, guys. That is all on my head. Ew. Oh. Seriously? All right, listen to all these buttons, you guys. They're all beeping. Can I seriously get this off my face? Holy cow, seriously, look at this. That is so gross. Here we go. Here's the next button. $100! Woo! That's a good one. $100. How about that? Woo! My little dollar's right here still. Okay, $100. Where'd it go?
Oh, your $100 is so.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's back here. No. No. It's in the ghost stuff. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put it right up there. That's my safe spot. I'm gonna take that out. Seriously, Fun Squad. Look at, here's my hat. Somebody is messing with me and putting my hat in here. Oh. All right, I'm gonna go. Should I do it? I'm gonna go here. Mashed potatoes and gravy. Oh no. Oh.
Fun Squad, you ready?
Mashed potatoes. Okay, thanks. Get it off.
That was just a
Let's push
small
another button. Another mashed potato, really? Are you serious? Okay.
Bro!
Ew, gross. Oh, and gravy? Are you kidding me? Yo, gross. All right, I'm going for the gold button, you guys. I'm gonna go in. I hope this is the escape button. Here we go. Surprise? What's surprise? All right, this is the surprise. What's the surprise? Oh no, flour? Oh, 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 you guys, seriously? How much flour is there?
Oh my gosh! He just
Oh my
got a
gosh.
flower
Holy
shower!
cow. It's like
He
a
just got a flower shower!
All right, seriously, not cool. I gotta get out of here. How about this one? Pickle juice, come on. Oh, that was fast. You guys are... Ew.
That has to be so gross! Fun Squad! That's
Pickle
crazy!
juice. Whoa, look at all this, you guys. I am seriously, look at this. I am seriously in like a pile of yucky. Holy cow. There's flour, there's spaghetti, there's pickles
Okay,
everywhere.
Fun Squad, this is definitely the most favorite video I've ever done in my
This is your
life.
favorite video? What about ask me if it's my favorite video?
Definitely not, Fun Squad.
All right, Lucky Blue, here we go. Escape! Yeah! All right, I get to escape! Woo! Yeah! Oh,
Look
gross!
at how, that's like a
Freedom! Freedom!
Oh, no. Oh, no brakes! No brakes! Whoa.
Great, this guy again, he's probably here to ruin Christmas. I'm out of here. The Grinch.
Oh, I hope they didn't hear that. Oh my gosh. I'm here. I made it.
He's wearing that silly costume again. Just pitiful.
Hopefully this year I can get a jump on him and ruin Christmas once and for all.
Jack, now we know that he doesn't know that we know he's here. Huh? I'm saying that we should trap him.
And I know just the place.
This year I'm gonna sneak into the basement door, then I'll stuff him into the Christmas escape room, and with this hat, they'll never see me coming. Oh, ow, my goodness! Can't see me, completely camouflaged.
Is that the last one? Yeah. Now all we have to do is wait.
What is this? Dear reader, we put all of our Christmas decorations in the big yellow box in the backyard. Awesome, they're making it easy for me.
Look, he's coming.
There's box. What? There's no Christmas decorations in the box. What are these? Are they like Christmas lights or something? Are they gonna light up? What's going on in here? You guys, what did you do to me? What is this thing?
All right, Grinch, it's payback time. Yeah, and this year, we're putting you in the escape room.
Escape room? That's my job to put you guys in an escape room, not the other way around.
Well, Grinch, do you see all of the buttons on the wall?
These buttons?
That's right. Only one of these 100 mystery buttons is the escape button.
What happens if I push the wrong button?
Oh, you'll see.
Oh, come on, guys. There's gotta be some way we can make a deal. I'll give you $100. Wouldn't that be awesome? You guys would love it.
No. All right, Squad, let's get started.
Okay, press the first button.
First button. I think if I just picked the right button the first try, then that would be great. I think that's best case scenario.
The gold one.
A gold one. No way, we're gonna go with green. How about this one right here?
Christmas candy.
Oh, Christmas candy. Woo!
Christmas candy. If it's candy, the fact that it's Christmas might be not too bad.
Ready?
Hey, what's going on? Hey, candy canes. Give me the candy canes. I'll be happy to break them right in half.
Hey,
That wasn't too bad.
maybe you should rub a little of this candy to make you spell better.
Make it smell better? All right, here, let's put some peppermint under my armpits here. What do you think?
There we go.
I don't like that. It was better when it was stinky.
Come on, Grinch. The faster you press buttons, the sooner you'll get out.
All right, so that green didn't work so good. My next favorite color would have to be purple. All right.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets? Nobody told me it was dinner time.
Sweet chicken nuggets. These are my favorite.
Oh. I hope they're not frozen. As it. Oh. Oh. It's raining chicken nuggets. Whoever thought you'd say that? Raining chicken nuggets.
Oh,
Oh
my gosh.
You guys are
Hey, sweet chicken nuggets.
sweet chicken nuggets. Sweet. Oh, God, you got the bar stop to protect me. Oh my goodness. Purple was a failure. We've done green. All right, orange.
Nachos.
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 Like with cheese? Like the runny kind? Feliz Navidad nachos! Oh no!
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
No way. He's getting all nacho-y.
Oh my God! No! Look at all this nacho!
How does it feel?
Oh, now the chipper! Oh, it's tortilla time! It's raining nachos and cheese!
It's raining nachos.
Raining nachos and
From out
cheese!
of the sky. Turn around. I want to see your back.
See my back? How bad? Oh!
Can I eat one?
You want to eat one? Here, I'll get you a big chip right here. There you go. Ew! Oh, you threw it back at me! That's a lot of cheese. Should I sit in it?
Yes, you should.
All right, ready? Ready? Ah! All right, button time, button time. Let's go blue. And ready and button.
Bologna sandwich.
Bologna sandwiches? That doesn't sound too bad.
Bologna
Bologna
sandwich!
sandwich! Oh, look. Ha ha! Bologna, look at that. Oh, wait a minute! Wait a minute! Wait a minute, what's going on? Oh, no, no, no! No!
Gosh, fun squad! That was crazy!
Oh, what is this? What is that? Mayo?
Mayo?
Oh, man.
What? I'm gonna get some mayo.
getting all foggy in these glasses. Oh no! Gross! Oh no! That was gross! And I got the bottle too!
Oh no!
I'm gonna squirt Gross!
That was so fun.
Press the next button. All right, there's a brown one right here. Ready?
Umbrella.
Umbrella!
Umbrella, no!
This sounds like a win for the Grinch right here. Come on, come on.
It's also an Anna umbrella, so it's Christmassy. Oh, Christmas theme.
Hi, I'm Olaf. I like warm hugs. All right, so I got an umbrella, so now we gotta do another button. I gotta get out of here. All righty. New button, new button. Did we do all the colors? All right, here we go. Ready? Blue button and go.
Orbeez.
Arby's. Orbeez. Orbeez. All righty. I think I'm gonna need my umbrella. My pimper shield. My umbrella. Oh, that sounded really heavy. I better switch hands. All right, here we go. We're gonna be protected. Come on, Elsa. Don't let me down. Give me some of that. Hey. Oh!
Oh my gosh! Take
Hey,
that!
you got a falling on my head.
It's hitting me!
Oh yeah. The water, it's soaking in real good. Oh, that was awesome. Thank you. All right, new button. Button. Who's got a button?
New button!
New button. All right, it's getting harder to see here. Purple.
Ice cream sundae.
Ice cream sundaes. Did anybody know that I'm lactose intolerant? So we got the right stuff, right? Use those frozen powers, Elsa. Use those frozen. Oh, no.
Oh my god! Oh my
What?
god!
I don't care about that. What are you doing?
Look at his lips!
Whipped cream!
Ice cream! You scream! We all scream for ice cream!
Oh, look at it.
Okay, go ahead. Push the next button, Grinch.
Next button! Alrighty. Who cares about colors? Let's just find one that's gonna get me out of here! Up here in the top corner. Ready? Button.
Eggnog.
Eggnog!
Eggnog. Oh.
I hope they're rotten eggnog.
Clean eggnog!
Clean eggnog. It's supposed to be rotten eggnog. Umbrella. Gross. Alright. I'm ready for the eggnog. Oh, man!
We got him! It didn't get him, it got me!
Oh.
This is what happened, Fun Squad. He had the umbrella on, and the eggnog went all the way down on his umbrella.
Oh.
It shot off that kid all the way over here.
Oh, there is a wonderful toxic smell going on in here. Alrighty. Let's go with this one. Button.
Lose the umbrella.
Lose the umbrella? I just got it.
The umbrella.
Oh no! Oh, there we go.
Ew, gross, Fun Squad.
So unfair.
Well, guess what, Grinch? On your next button, you're not gonna have any protection.
No protection from the elements of the mystery box? Okay.
The next button,
Push the
Grinch.
next button. Blue.
Spaghetti and sauce.
Spaghetti and sauce. Oh no.
Okay, Fun Squad, this one's gonna be good
Oh,
because he
no.
doesn't have protection
No
over
umbrella.
him. So now it's gonna go all the way down him.
I think you guys are the mean ones now. It's not even me. This is way worse than anything I've ever done to you this whole time.
I mean, you could just escape. I mean, there's a way.
I could just escape. Yeah, I could push the right button. All right, spaghetti. I hope it's angel hair pasta because I like my pasta really fine noodles, okay? I'm a very particular taste when it comes to my spaghetti. Oh! That wasn't so bad. Oh no. It's still kind of warm.
Do another button.
Do another button. All right.
Another button!
I can really use a win right now. Let's see. What do we
Gonna get
do?
a consequence.
Okay, this one. Here we go. Button.
Escape.
feels so much better. The air is clean and beautiful. Check this out, Fun Squad. That was my fun box for the last 20 hours.
More like 20 minutes. Well, Grinch, I hope you learned your lesson.
Yeah, never mess with their Christmas decorations ever again.
Well, it was a pretty good escape box.
You have to clean up the mess. Let's go.
What? Clean up the mess? I'll show you clean up the mess. I'll just stay here a little bit longer, get myself all nice and comfy. Oh yeah, I could get used to this. See you later, fun kids.